The Dasher app location not updating accurately is a common issue that can stem from several technical factors. Understanding these factors helps drivers maintain reliable location tracking for successful deliveries. Your device needs to connect to at least 4 satellites for basic GPS positioning, but ideally 6 or more satellites for optimal accuracy within 3 to 5 meters. Each satellite provides location data that your phone triangulates to determine your precise position. Urban areas pose significant challenges for GPS accuracy. Tall buildings create what's called an urban canyon effect, blocking satellite signals and reducing the number of satellites your device can connect to. This interference can cause location inaccuracies of 50 to 100 meters in dense city areas. Recent updates to iOS and Android prioritize user privacy and battery life, which can interfere with location services needed for delivery apps. Background app refresh limitations and aggressive battery optimization may prevent the Dasher app from updating your location accurately when running in the background. The DoorDash driver app version 15.x series includes significant enhancements to GPS tracking algorithms and battery optimization. These improvements help maintain accurate location tracking while preserving battery life. Make sure your app is up to date to take advantage of these latest improvements for better delivery performance. To fix Dasher app location issues, we need to address several key settings and practices. Let's start with the most critical fixes. First and most important, ensure your Dasher app has proper location permissions. On Android, go to Settings, then Security and Location, and set location permissions to always or while using app. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, and ensure the Dasher app is set to while using app or always. Next, enable high accuracy mode in your device location settings. This uses GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular data together for the most precise location tracking. Enable background app refresh for the Dasher app. This allows the app to update your location even when you're not actively using it, which is crucial for delivery tracking. Disable battery optimization specifically for the DoorDash Dasher app. Battery optimization can interfere with location tracking by limiting the app's background activity. For advanced troubleshooting, try clearing your GPS cache monthly. This resets location data and can resolve persistent accuracy issues. Finally, follow these best practices. Keep your app updated, avoid VPN services while dashing, and maintain your device battery above 20% for optimal GPS performance. Following these troubleshooting steps and best practices will significantly improve your Dasher app's location accuracy and reliability, ensuring smooth deliveries and better customer experience.